In video 1.11, we demonstrated the Digital Thread Explorer, which can be launched from either the Workspace tab or the Repositories page. The display formatting options have been greatly enhanced, and in this video we will provide a quick guide to them. We start with an already prepared graph developed in the earlier video. If we hover over one of the symbols, we can click the pin icon in the upper right corner to lock this symbol in place. We also have several options if we right-click it. Expand, collapse, and refresh affect the immediate connections to the symbol. Make root reinitializes the Digital Thread Explorer starting from this element. And More Details opens the element in its native repository browser, if one is available and the user is authorized. In the lower left corner of the window is the Navigator feature, which provides a view of the expanded digital thread structure relative to the full field view, which is shaded in blue. If I pan within the graph by pressing the left mouse button, or zoom using the mouse scroll wheel, the blue region shifts inside the Navigator. I can also pan across the graph by dragging the blue region within the Navigator. On the left side, the control bar has 7 icons. Zoom in and zoom out expand and contract the graph. Fit resizes the graph to fit the window. Lock nodes, unlock nodes will lock or unlock all elements in their relative positions. Reset layout will restore the original layout pattern if individual elements have been moved. Hide or show grid background toggles the background grid pattern on and off. And Enter Full Screen uses the full monitor screen to display the graph until Escape is pressed. Several additional graph display preferences can be set by clicking the gear-shaped settings icon in the upper right corner of the window. Layout provides a pull-down menu where several standard layout patterns for the graph can be applied. The next controls enable or disable zoom and pan and constrain the range of zoom. Node types and edge types allow the user to change the color key and symbol size for display elements. If I wanted to change JAMA elements to red, I would select JAMA under Node Types, scroll down to the Color and Size section, and click the red circle. Returning to the graph, the color key has changed, and all JAMA elements, both artifacts and intramodel connections, are now red. These changes persist only during the current Syndeia browser session. The final entries change what is displayed on the nodes and edges, the name or the key of the element. In the case of intermodel relations, we can also display the assigned relation type. See video 1.17 for relation types. The color keys legend also allows the user to display only elements from a single repository type. For example, clicking on JAMA hides all the non-JAMA elements. Clicking on JAMA again restores the full graph. In videos 113 and 114, we will demonstrate creating and executing project-specific portfolios of graph analysis queries. Many of the graph display controls and preferences for the queries are similar to the Digital Thread Explorer, but with some slight changes. For example, the Settings window is opened from the bottom icon on the control bar. Otherwise, hovering the mouse over the other icons on the control bar shows their functions, which are fairly self-explanatory. See our online tutorials and user guides for more information, particularly how individual integrations may show variations from the standard behaviors.